Alright, today I'm going to show you how to wrap for a football taping for a hand, wrist, and thumb. Today I'm going to start with the pre-wrap. So we're going to wrap around at least twice around the wrist. Next we're going to go around the middle of the hand. And once I get up to here, I'm going to do a thumb spica. Go around, and we're going to end right back at the wrist. Okay, next we're going to add some anchors using a 1.5 inch taping. Okay, we're going to add 2 at the wrist. I'm going to add 1 around the metacarpals of the hand. Okay, then after that we're going to add a 1 inch tape anchor to the thumb. Okay, then after that we're going to go back to the 1.5 inch taping, and we're going to add a figure 8. Okay. Then after the figure 8, I'm going to add up C strips, also using the 1.5 inch taping over the CMC and the MCP joints. Okay. Then after that, using the same 1.5 inch tape, I'm going to add a Lawrence strip. So I'm going to tear down the middle, just like so. And we're actually going to add this Lawrence strip into the webbing of this thumb. So what you want to do is you're going to want to close the tops first. The next we're going to close down the bottom. So it may crease also in the webbing due to the angle. And going back to the 1 inch white tape, I'm going to add thumb spicas. So with the spica, we can go around the thumb and back where you started, and we're going to add I'm going to add another one here. Alrighty. Going back to the 1.5 inch, we're going to add C strips to close up the spica, kind of secure it in place. Okay. Then after that, I'm going to add some horseshoes. I'm going to add 2. I'm going to add 1 more. Okay, and the last step, I'm going to add some circular strips around the middle of the hand to kind of close everything up, secure it in place. And I'm going to add one more figure eight. It'll be the last thing we do. And I can put a small crease right here on the near the webbing to kind of get that angle right. Okay, then after that we're going to mold. Then after you mold, we'll check for capillary refill, which is good, and we're going to ask them to test the range of motion, see if you can pull back. Okay, then after that, and that's how you tape for the wrist and for the hand, wrist, and thumb for football.